Welcome to the HardReset.Info CUBOT tablet top 10, and I'll show you how to connect to Wi-Fi this device. So first, let's open the settings application and then let's tap to network and internet. To activate Wi-Fi, we should click here once on the switcher, and now here we can see all the available networks which we can just select and connect. For example, I'll go with this one. Here we should enter the password, and if you want to see this password, you should click here on this checkbox to show it. For example, to have no some mistakes, I'll make it outer screen. Okay, and now we should just tap here to connect. Now just let's wait a second, and now we can see that our device successfully connected to this network. If you wanna just select one more network, you can make it just without any problems. Just click by this way, enter the password, tap to connect, and that's it. After that, you'll see all of your saved networks with the password here in this section. You can switch after that between them if you want. And if you want to turn out the Wi-Fi, you should click here once again on this switcher, and that's it. Also, we can make it by the second one. Just first you should open notification panel, and after that you will find here the Wi-Fi icon. Just to activate the Wi-Fi, click once on this icon, and to launch Wi-Fi settings you should hold for a while this icon, and after that you can select the network, enter the password, and tap to connect. And just to turn it off, you should click here once again on this Wi-Fi icon, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.